Ito yung payo.
Let's do it.
Wala payo.
Yeah.
Here, Kendrick. Hey, we'll check some. Hey, don't go there, ha? Hey, no picture ka karon.
Ito sa kuswerte. Ang mga batang kasakay. Wala ng papa. Ay, nalang mo lang din. Close.
Hey, close, good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Hey, Kendrick. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Hello. Come here. Sit down here. Good afternoon. What is your favorite food? Agay. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Come here, hoy. Sit down ba? Come here ba? Sit down. Here. Sit down ba? Sit down. What is your favorite food? Junk foods?
Not jump food.
What?
Only the green one. Yummy.
Only that? You like fruits?
Yeah, I like food.
You like fruits and vegetables?
So I will do that.
Here, hold. Please, ba? Good afternoon, guys. Here, use polite expressions. Polite expressions are considered as a magic words. They include the words please and thank you. No, ba? What to say when other kids give you food? What to say? You said
Please.
no. You said thank you.
Thank you.
What if mommy buys you some food? What would you say?
Please.
No. What would you say? Thank you, mommy. You say thank you. Okay. When someone say thank you to you, you said you're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Okay, very good. Okay, then when you ask permission or you want to go outside, what do you want to say? May I go outside?
Yeah, go outside.
Can you bring me some water?
Can you give me some water?
Oh, when you make a mistake, what did you say? When you make a mistake.
Because mistakes.
No. Pag makasala ka sa imuhang classmate, what would you say? You say,
Please.
sorry. If teacher will get angry, you said, sorry, teacher. If you hurt someone, what would you say? What would you say?
Sorry.
Sorry. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Choose the correct expression inside the frame based on the picture that you are lying. This one, in the picture, number 1. What he is saying? He say, I'm sorry, excuse me, thank you, may I, please, or you're welcome. This one. You said, may I have that pen?
Have the pen.
You copy this. Can I have some water, please? Oh, sorry. This cake is for you. Thank you. Thank you. Here. Look at here. In the number 1, you put here. You copy here. You copy it. You copy it in the number 1. You copy it in the number 1. Good.